Good morning, everyone. My seminar topic is about viral diseases in plants. Uh, in the syllabus, we have cauliflower mosaic virus, banana bunchy top virus, cucumber mosaic virus, cowpea mosaic virus, and tobacco mosaic virus. We'll see about the structure, pathogenicity, transmission, and then treatment. Introduction about viruses. Viruses are small submicroscopic infectious particles, virions, composed of a protein coat and a nucleic acid coat. They carry genetic information encoded in their nucleic acid, which is typically specifies two or more proteins. Translation of the genome to produce proteins, or transcription and replication to produce more nucleic acid takes place within the host cell and use some of the host biochemical machinery. Viruses do not capture or store free energy and are not functionally active outside their host. Hence are called as intracellular parasites. Plant viral diseases. Viruses cause many important plant diseases and are responsible for huge losses in crop production and quality in all parts of the world. Infected plants may show a range of symptoms depending on the diseases, but often there is leaf yellowing, either of the whole leaf or in a pattern of stripes or blotches. Leaf distortion, example curling, and other growth distortions, example turning of the whole plant, abnormalities in flower or fruit formation, etc. Numerous plant viruses are rod-like and can be extracted readily from plant tissue and crystallized. The majority of them lack the membrane found in many animal viruses, and all contain ribonucleic acid (RNA). Plant-virus interaction. Viruses are capable of infecting of cultivated and wild plants. Susceptibility or resistance of plant species and cultivars to viruses is determined primarily by the plant genotype. Plants possess active and passive means of preventing virus infection. Passive defenses are due to the failure of the plant to produce one or more host factors required for virus reproduction and spread within the host. Active defenses include detection and destruction of the virus-infected cells due to the function of specific resistant genes in the plant. Normally, resistant genes are active only against a particular virus. In addition, plants possess a general defense system that is somewhat analogous to the animal immune system. The major difference between the two is that immune system in animals targets as pathogens proteins, whereas the plant defense system, which is called RNA silencing, detects and degrades viral RNAs. Common plant pathogens. The current estimate of recognized viruses approaching 4,000, of which about 1,000 are plant viruses. And the top 10 list of viruses affecting the food crops are the following viruses, which are tobacco mosaic virus, tomato spotted wilt virus, tomato yellow leaf curl virus, cucumber mosaic virus, potato virus Y, cauliflower mosaic virus, African cassava mosaic virus, plum pox virus, brome mosaic virus, and potato virus. These viruses are on the top list which are affecting those food crops. First, cauliflower mosaic virus. Classification, it comes under the family Collimo-viridae, genus Collimovirus, species cauliflower mosaic virus. And structure, cauliflower mosaic virus is an icosahedral virus. Its diameter is about 52 nm. Genome is circular double-stranded DNA, and the capsid is multi-layered. Arrangement of capsomere is not clear. The outermost layer is made up of a total of 420 coat protein subunits. In the left picture, we can see the structure. A is the Collimo mosaic virus under electron micrograph. Those are the virions. And then the B is the icosahedral structure. In the C, we can see the capsid protein and the double-stranded DNA. In the right side, we can see the symptoms of cauliflower mosaic virus. Once the plant gets affected, we can see the symptoms like these. Pathogenicity. Cauliflower mosaic virus is very destructive, cruciferous crop disease that usually occurs unexpectedly. The symptoms also show up much more clearly in winter than in summer. Transmission. Cauliflower mosaic virus is spread by aphids. Treatment. There is no cure for cauliflower mosaic virus. Once a plant is infected, then it is too late. Prevention is the only way to prevent agricultural or gardening losses. Since cauliflower mosaic virus is usually spread by aphids, so any sorts of pest control can be beneficial in reducing infection. Next, banana bunchy top viral disease. The classification, it comes under family Nanoviridae. Genus is Babovirus. Species banana bunchy top virus. Structure, it is a single-stranded DNA virus. The genome of banana bunchy top virus is made up of at least 6 circular single-stranded DNA components, each about 1 kilo base pair in length. Pathogenicity, banana bunchy top virus can infect species of the family Mosaicae, which includes bananas, plantains, abaca, and more. Normally, the healthy banana leaf looks like this, and the diseased, the plant which is affected by banana bunchy top virus leaf looks like this, and also symptoms include the curls in the leaf. The pathogen causes cytopathological effects in phloem tissue. The symptoms are the new leaves that are produced are narrower than normal, yellow and flat, which causes a bunchy appearance at the top of the tree. The fruit is produced, which is unusual. It will be deformed. Transmission. Banana aphid transmits the virus from infected to healthy plants by seeding. Treatment. There is no resistant varieties of banana against banana bunchy top virus. So the most common method of control is chemical control of aphid vectors. Another way to help control the virus is to remove and destroy any infected plants before the virus can spread, which is a practice known as roguing. The transmission through aphid is nothing but the disease is transmitted by small bugs, like it is infected through insect type of transmission. The aphids are small sap-sucking insects and members of superfamily Aphidoidea. Common names of the aphids include green fly, black fly, etc. Although individuals within a species can vary widely in color, the group includes the fluffy, white, woolly aphid. Next, cucumber mosaic virus. Classification. Family Bromoviridae. Genus Cucumovirus. Species Cucumber mosaic virus. Structure. A linear positive strand tripartite single-stranded RNA virus. Its total genome size is 8.621 kb and is broken into three parts as RNA1, 3357 pb, RNA2 3050 pb and RNA3 2216 pb, all of which has tRNA-like structure. These three RNAs encode 5 proteins: protein 1A, 2A, 2B, movement protein MP and coat protein. Once the cucumber gets affected by cucumber mosaic virus, it looks like this. We can see some white spots in the cucumber and also white spots in the leaves. Pathogenicity. It often affects cucumbers, but it is also a common problem for tomatoes, melons, squash and other plants. Mostly in all the plants, the symptoms are usually the same. Mottling between light and dark portion, upward curling, dark green spots on surface of leaves. Infected plants are compact, yellow ring or produced on fruit quarter and half-inch in diameter. Transmission: Apis crassivora, A. gossify, mechanically transmitted virus. Treatment: there are no chemicals that cure cucumber mosaic virus infected plant, nor any that protect plant from becoming infected. Prevention includes purchase virus-free plants and maintain strict aphid control. Remove all weeds since these may harbor both CMV and aphids. As aphids are the small bugs, as I said earlier. Immediately set aside plants with the above symptoms and obtain a diagnosis. Next is cowpea mosaic virus, viral disease. Classification: it comes under the family Secoviridae, subfamily Comoviridae, genus Comovirus, species cowpea mosaic virus. This is a 3B model of the virus. Then we can see the mosaic structure in the leaves in this picture. Field symptoms usually consist of discoloration of the leaves, showing mosaic, mottling, vein banding, vein chlorosis, vein yellowing, leaf deformation, and yellow spots. Affected plants may also show growth reduction. Transmission transmitted mainly by beetles and readily by sap inoculation. Treatment roguing out of cowpea mosaic virus disease the plants in the early stage of growth up to 30 days and spraying twice at fortnightly intervals with monocrotophos 500 ml per hectare or methyldemeton 25 EC 500 ml per hectare. Next, the final virus is tobacco mosaic virus, which we are studying from childhood. Family Virgaviridae, genus Tobamovirus, species tobacco mosaic virus. Structure: it has a rod-like appearance. Tobacco mosaic virus is single-stranded RNA virus. Its capsid is made from 2130 molecules of coat protein and 1 molecule of genomic single-stranded RNA, 6400 bases long. The coat protein self-assembles into the rod-like helical structure. 16.3 proteins per helix turn around the RNA, which forms hairpin loop structure. The symptoms on the affected plants looks like this. This is the structure of the tobacco mosaic virus. It's 300 nm long and 18 mm wide. It consists of positive strand RNA genome. It is covered by protein coat. Pathogenicity: it infects a wide range of plants, especially tobacco and other members of the family Solanaceae. Greenish yellowing, mottling, curled in shape. Then brown streaking on branches. Mottled symptoms on fruits can be seen, and also yellow spotting in some fruits can be seen. Spots are irregular in shape and sunken. Transmission: it is transmitted mechanically. Infected seeds of chili. Treatment: there is no treatment for the prevention includes a purchase of the virus-free plants. Remove all the weeds since these may harbor tobacco mosaic virus. Remove all crop debris from benches and greenhouse structure. Set aside plants with the above symptoms and obtain a diagnosis. Discard infected plants. These are the methods we can prevent healthy plants from getting affected by the tobacco mosaic virus. Conclusion: plant viruses and viroids are unusual group of plant pathogens that infect and cause disease in many crop plants. Because these pathogens depend on the normal cellular machinery of their plant host for reproduction, it is difficult to eliminate them without damaging the host plant. These are the references. I've taken notes from these websites. You can check out these websites for further doubts. Thank you.